Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to me. My name is Muhammad Aditya Rasya and my name numbers is 105, 25, and 00 and 9. And today I will present the UX case study for Adirin Armarios. In this video, I will walk you through our UX and tone strategy, followed by in-depth look at 11 core screens, analyzing our design patterns, usability, heuristic, and user physiology. Alright, what do we have here? Before we dive into the UI screens, let's look at our UX voice and tone charts. To maintain a consistent brand personality across all touchpoints, we structure our copywriting around three core pillars. First, luxurious and elegant, applied to the product showcase and membership portal using refined and high-end vocabulary to reflect brand exclusivity. Second, emphatic and helpful, deployed during potential friction points like empty states, loading sequence, and network errors to the users and reduce anxiety. And third, clear and direct, use in transactional flows like checkout from inputs and primary button to minimize cognitive load and drive immediate action. Three pillars strictly governs our vocabulary, verbosity, and grammar, punctuation, and capitalization across every screen you are about to see. Alright, let's head it to the next slide. And the first slide is Welcome and Login Interface. The sign-in screen is designed to facilitate a smooth returning experience for existing users through streamlined navigation and flexibility. Authentication option. Okay, in the first we got the sign-in optimization. Offers quick registration and login or login via social authentication button like Facebook, Apple, Google to reduce friction upon entry. Alright, next, minimalist layout. A clean design focused strictly on credential input fields like email and password to keep user free from visual distraction. And we have clear call to action, prominently placed to the login button and forget password link for effortless credential recovery. Okay, let's dive into the slide 2, onboarding UX heuristic. The sign up and onboarding pass into the structured with intuitive input controls designed to eliminate cognitive fatigue for new users. Aesthetic integrity, minimalist, aesthetic aligned with the luxury fashion values of the Adirin Armarios brand. Alright, and we have clear hierarchy, distinct visual separation of radio button controls. As you can see, there is a gender and style preferences for effortless scanning. Alright, then we have explicit consent incorporates a clear opt-in marketing checkbox ensuring transparent compliance with the global privacy standards. Alright, let's jump to the slide 3. We got an order review and checkout. An order review screen providing transaction certainty and cost transparency before users proceed to final payment. Alright, so you can see there, visibility of system status. Clearly display shipping address, item specification like size and quantity, and policy terms upfront. Cost transparency items, itemized price breakdown subtotal, shipping, fees, and serving fee. Prevents hidden costs, friction, and checkout. Alright, next we have a Fitts Law application. The primary CTA button or continue to the payment methods is placed at the bottom within natural thumb reach. Alright, with the slide 4, notification center and in-app notification hub organizing promotional alerts and system announcement in a structured format. Information chunking notification are grouped with a clear timestamps. As you can see, it's 6 hours ago. For efficient scannability, data retention transparency, clear policy notice informing user that notification history is automatically clear after 30 days. And we have easy notification, includes a visible back button notification control, allowing user to return smoothly to the main feed. Alright. In slide 5, we have empty wishlist state. An empty wishlist screen utilizing emphatic design patterns to guide users back into the product discovery. Okay, we have visual metaphor employs a contextual broken heart illustration to visually communicate the empty wishlist status. Okay, next we have empathic copywriting provides clear, encouraging messaging that invites users to explore and save items. Alright, and we have direct call to an action, or we call it CTA. The primary start shopping button redirect users straight to the latest product collection. Alright, next we have user profile and account settings and centralized user hub combining digital wallet balance, membership status, and account settings into the cohesive dashboard. Alright, we have recognition versus recall. Prominently highlight to the Armarios pay balance and gold member tier status in the top. At the top, sorry. And we have logical grouping. Navigation items are grouped logically into the account settings, order history, and support and centers. Alright, we have save exit design. The logout option is intentionally placed at the bottom to prevent accidental logouts. Alright, next we have user preference center. A granular control panel granting full user autonomy over contents, curation, notification channels, and quiet hours. Alright, we have user control and freedom. Empowers user to toggle content, preference, woman and man fashion, as you can see, and notification channel at the bottom, I guess, emails and push. Alright, then we have range and unit sliders. Implement interactive sliders control for setting custom do not disturb hours. Like as you can see, you can settings that the hours, like whatever you want. As you can say, explicit confirmation. Preference changes are only committed upon pressing Save Change, preventing unintended edits. Alright, in the next slide, transitional loading state. A model loading overlay providing immediate visual feedback while the system proceeds user preference updates. Okay, we have Doherty threshold features an animated spinners indicator to keep system response perception well within tolerable threshold. Contextual feedback, a clear transitional copy, saving change, personalizing your experience. As you can see that under the saving change. Explicitly explains the brief delay. Alright, next we have model overlay. We have that blurs the underlying background screen to preserve user context and focus attention on the active process. Alright, in the next slide, we have product detail page and confirmation and comprehensive product page featuring pricing hierarchy, stock urgency, and real-time add-to-cart micro confirmations. Alright, that we have scarcity and urgency effect, prompts faster decision making through the honest inventory alerts, like there's a word we have hurry, only 2 left. Alright, next, clear pricing hierarchy. Strike to original price paired with a hike-like discount tag, 30% minus 30%, as you can see there. Emphasize value savings. Alright, then we have instant confirmation overlay, a bright green feedback banner behind the word there. We have a instantly validates user action. Alright, with the 10th slide, we have customized notification center, a branded notification feed utilizing visual categorization to help user distinguish between transaction, promos, and alert. As you can see there visual differentiation, distinct custom icons, package, delivery, and there's a flame there, and cell and bell. Enable install recognition of notification types. Alright, then we have brand continuity, retains signature brand styling to maintain visual harmony across system messaging. As you can see there, there's a cool word back there, there's a cool brand. Okay, next tab. Oh, this is the final slide. We have network error state, an offline error screen designed to help user identify connection issues and recover seamlessly without losing context. Alright, we have error prevention and recovery provides clear jargon-free error copy. Please check your internet connection and try again. As you can see there, in the black word right there. Okay. Next, we have clear recovery CTA features a prominent try again button, enabling users to attempt session recovery in one click. Okay, the next, persistent and navigation. Preserve button bar navigation like home, card, wishlist, and account to avoid user dead ends. Okay. Okay, that wraps up the UX case study for Adirin Armarios. Thank you so much for your time and attention. And sorry for my bad language. Literally, my English is not very good. And thank you for listening, for you all. And see you in my next video, maybe. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.